Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Friday, July 1st, 2022. I'm starting after 9 o'clock. That seems to be a better time, 9:25, to fire things up. And I'm going to fire up everything but oil. I've already did these. I hit these earlier, just a few seconds ago. I'll show you where they happened. Just did them when I didn't get the recording started. Boom, down, and another one down and one up. And then, okay, this one, same thing. Right here, two shorts. Boom, boom. Nice little trade. They went at the same time. I turned them on and I thought I had the recorder going. Okay, let's see what we can get. Looks like the yin Q is working its way down to the daily fib. Blew right through daily support. Figured I'd do one more, see how it works out. See if this
order
one
filled. Order canceled.
Oh, let's see if we can get a good runner. That should about do it today. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Order
14,
filled.
15. Yeah, there we go. Okay, like I said, sorry, it's going to be short and sweet. This one here, strategy performance, is $367 and 100% winners and 294,000 a day. Wish I could have showed that one. Sorry. Then this one here, $5,367 of commission, so roughly 4,900 something. Do that every month at 162,000. So I think I'm going to call that good. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe on my channel if you want to see it. I try to shoot for recording every couple of days. So